People always ask me, what happens when the engine temperature light comes on or the gauge goes to full heat? When the red lights come on, just remember they're red for a reason. The two main lights on your car is the oil light and the engine temperature light. Unless you have a gauge, that means that we have a problem, a serious problem. Don't drive the car. Pull over as fast as you can. You can turn the heater on while you're pulling over, even if it's hot outside, because that helps circulate the water. That could buy you a little time. Don't think that you could make it to the next exit, because that could be the point where you burn it up. Pull over, call a wrecker. Believe me, you will love to pay that wrecker bill before you get the bill from me that I told you burned up the engine. By no means, do not open the radiator cap. It's hot. It's hotter than you think. You won't be able to feel it. It is very hot. It's hotter than your brother-in-law's crawfish recipe. Do not open up the radiator cap until it's completely cool. That doesn't mean an hour later. That means overnight later. Check and see if you have water in it. If it doesn't have any water in it or coolant in it, you can put water in it and hopefully drive it to your mechanic. But my suggestion would be to call him first, tell him what happened. He could probably walk you through it. He might tell you to have it towed. Don't take a chance. Let him make the decision, not you.
Another show hits the checkered flag and everybody kept the shiny side up. Success. Until next time, drive different.